Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Ooh. And today, guys, we're here with Malie done with a song called Rum Please. Rum Please. Yeah, we got Malie. Yeah, we're gonna jump to the one and here with the GSA. So now waste of time. Let's go. Rum Please. Baseline. Production team, pick up yourself. Are ready? Yeah. Danmatic. Up top. Rum Please.
Rum please. Rum please. She a drink and still want rum please. Rum please. Say she want fun, say she ball out. Rum please.
Rum please.
After she done come, she a ball out. Rum please. She say rum please. 220 pan the toll road. Open up your pussy, make me score a goal. Come in on your mouth and fix up your sore throat. Love a car.
No. Once I get a sore throat, don't make you suck out. If we catch infection. If we catch infection, you have to behave. You have to wait till that shit gone. Yeah. So Malie, don't come in our mouth. Don't make you suck out. You see me? Yeah. Want our throat sore? No, don't go there, my boss. You see me?
She's a rum please. 220 pan the toll road. Open up your pussy, make me score a goal. Come in on your mouth and fix up your sore throat. Love a Caribbean joke go. Trinidad gal want swing pa my pole door. Guyanese gal suck it in a slow-mo. Antigua bad bitch give me low. And we send kids fill it will fuck on a cold floor.
Yo, the man not just represent for Jamaica and bad gal. The man represent for the whole Caribbean, you know. The whole Caribbean, you know. The whole throat goats them in the Caribbean, you know.
Antigua bad bitch give me low. And we send kids fill it will fuck on a cold floor. Falcon fling a piece in a sport mode. She turn me back like she head. Drunk and dunce like bat in a she bed. She says she have a slight migraine and nothing if Marcel my cock in her she head. Home I'ma charge up your whole car your battery half a dead. The more rum she drink the slappier she get. But she love the hammer and my cocky at the sledge. Bend over and go catch up on the head.
She love the hammer and my cocky at the sledge. Yo!
She get what? She love the hammer and my cocky at the sledge. Bend over and go catch up on the head. Rum please. She a drink and still want rum please. Say she want fun, say she ball out. Rum please. And after she done come, she a ball out. Rum please. She's a rum please. Bring weed and more rum, bad bitch, pat gunman, catch cold bump, bend down low, come blow pants, scrotum, bust 5 times when me a go get more come. No, your pussy no carry ST. They pick up rope, pull a swingy X key. No, swing a Benz key, REX3. She said, be up, my love, and me say yes, be. Rum please, rum please.
It's bad, like this. It's bad.
Rum please. She a drink and still want rum please. Say she want fun, say she ball out. Rum please.
Rum please.
After she done come, she a ball out. Rum please. She's a rum please. 220 pan the toll road. Open up your pussy, make me score a goal. Come in on your mouth and fix up your sore throat. Love a Caribbean joke go. Trinidad gal want swing pa my pole door. Guyanese gal suck it in a slow-mo. Antigua bad bitch give me low. And we send kids fill it will fuck on a cold floor. Falcon fling a piece in a sport mode. She turn me back like she head. Drunk and dunce like bat in a she bed. But she says she have a slight migraine and nothing if Marcel my cock in her she head. Home I'ma charge up your whole car your battery half a dead. The more rum she drink the slappier she get. But she love the hammer and my cocky at the sledge. Bend over and go catch up on the head. Rum please. She a drink and still want rum please. Say she want fun, say she ball out. Rum please. And after she done come, she a ball out.
Rum please.
She's a
Rum. She want rum. Yeah.
Bring weed and more rum, bad bitch, pat gunman, catch cold bump, head down low, come blow up and scrotum. Bust 5 times when me a go get more come. Your pussy no carry a steel. They pick up rope, pull a swingy X key. No, swing a Benz key, REX3. She said, be up, my love, and me say yes, me. Like, rum please, rum please.
Rum please.
She a drink and still want rum please, rum please. Say she want fun, say she ball out
rum please, rum please.
And after she done come, she a ball out rum please. She say rum please.
Bad. Like the concept. Like the concept. Yo, left it dancing alone in the Malie. Yo, simple video, but you can tell that it matches with the way I say. I just him and the girl alone in the video. And the girl I sing about and the rum. Yeah. You see, I'm a big matic in a man. Him not mention nothing about matic, so talk in a matic, me G. Talk it in. Big up Malie. Consistent. We see it now. You see me? Big up young artist them. I like what I do, me G. And me like say 99% of you every time on the drop a song, on the drop a video, cause you don't know say we get visual, so it nice, you see me? Flow wicked. The rum please concept. We heard that before from our next artist, but him never put it in a song. So if Malie put in our song thing, I'm a gamer myself for those who don't know, and me often say rum please for me stream them. Rum please. So it's nice to see somebody put it in our song and I do it. So big up Malie. Rum please. Yeah. So anyway, this time I'm gonna leave that one still. If you enjoy that one and want to see more, big up all the Caribbean girls and my bad like a yours. Yeah. But no blood that. Somebody give that one. If you enjoy that one, see more, leave a like on the video, subscribe around there if you're new, and I will see you in at the next one. Peace. Rum please.